Hey everyone, it's Byron and Kerry, realtors from Lewisburg, West Virginia, and we're going to drive through downtown Ronceverte. There's a lot going on there, and check it out. Tell you about it.
Yes.
Kerry?
So we are coming down Ronceverte Hill is what it's referred to. It's 219 South is the name.
Yeah.
The name of it. I can't think today.
Jefferson?
Well, it kind of turns into from Jefferson to Maple Street to, so I don't know what it is. We just call it 219. As you can see, Byron is stopped because we do have public transit.
Yes.
And the bus does come through Ronceverte. It goes to Ronceverte, White Sulphur, and Lewisburg. So if you're looking to stay in Ronceverte, there's an Airbnb right there to check it out. And this is the four-way stop of Ronceverte. It's what's referred to. This had the only light in the town, but there are now 0 lights.
Which way would you want me to go?
Straight.
You want to go straight?
Okay. So on our left-hand side is...
Carlitos.
No.
No, I meant... Sorry. I screw it up. What is it?
Chico's.
Chico's.
Yes.
We got a Carlitos as well, just
Yes.
up the street.
So Chico's is a Mexican restaurant. There's also, maybe go down here. So there is an international food store right here, Tri-County Produce. So they have local produce and products during the summer months. They have it year round, but during the summer months it's super fresh. As we're going this way, we're going to be passing a lot of the businesses that are downtown. So Gateways Industries is one of the businesses. If you're looking for anything customized like trophies, plaques, things like that, you can get that from Gateway. There is the Armory, which they are working to restore. And maybe if you want to...
Should I flip around?
Flip around,
Stand through?
Yeah. And go back around. And then there's also a hardwood manufacturer. They do cabinets. What else do they do?
I mean, mainly cabinets, and
Mainly
they sell all over the country.
Yes.
Mainly in DC, I think.
Yes, so it's high-end cabinet
Office furniture.
and
Office furniture as well,
okay,
I believe.
cabinetry. So that's what's down on this side. Most of the smaller businesses, commercial area is in the direction that we are headed to next. So we just did a loop around. There is a railroad track to your left-hand side. That was the reason for why Ronceverte was the heyday back before the interstate was built through our area. Amtrak does come on this train. They stop in White Sulphur and in Alderson. So we're back to kind of where we started. You can see the Ronceverte sign right there. To our right is Old City Hall, but it's going to be a Western wear store soon, so that's exciting. Then we have the Sportsman Tavern, which we often feature on our events list. We have a motorcycle shop. We have some government buildings. Alex DeGraff, who's an agent with Grist Real Estate, has her music studio piano store there. This is the Rexall building. It has apartments above it, and we should probably talk about the apartments. So there's apartments above most of these storefronts. Wildwood Mercantile, tell us about that.
William Tuckwiller, my buddy, owns that, and he's putting a coffee shop in right next to it. Primitive Goods, we've talked about a lot on our weekly updates.
Yes, and then there's also a hair salon. So to our left is the old train depot, which was purchased by the city, and they're looking to find how to make it. So there is a bank. We have the post office here. And then we have one of the coolest hardware stores in our area.
We should do a real quick video of that one day.
Martin and Jones.
Yeah.
Yes. So Martin and Jones is an old-timey hardware store. If you can't find it anywhere, they have it. I can almost promise it, but I shouldn't promise it. And then they also have used furniture, like consignment, which has really nice furniture pieces. I've gotten some incredible pieces there once I do a little research on them for a good price. And then this pinkish red building is an auto body shop. So we are going to go through the speed bumps
I wonder
here.
if my mom sold a lot of furniture there.
Yes.
I wonder if you have any of her pieces.
Oh, that would be fun.
Check it out.
You should check it out. Yes.
Okay, now for the fun part, we're going to Island Park. Is that
Sure.
Or should we go?
Yeah. Turn up here and then go to the Island Park.
Or should we go a different route?
Nope, that's perfect.
Okay.
So I live in Ronceverte. One thing I love about Ronceverte is I can walk from my home down to get dinner, to have entertainment, go to the post office, pick up some groceries from Tri-County Produce. I know Lewisburg gets a lot of mention for being very walkable, but Ronceverte is as well. So on our right-hand side is the public library. They do have mahjong there.
Really? I'm trying to break
every Thursday.
Been trying to break into that group for a long time.
Doesn't work into my schedule,
No.
so but I would love to do it. I'm sorry, this is really getting my eyes. So this is going over the bridge to the road that we were just on, and we are going to turn into the Island Park. So the bridge right in front of us goes over the Greenbrier River. So as we go into the Island Park, on our left-hand side here is the splash pad. It's, what is it, 12 degrees outside right now? Oh, it's 32. So it's all covered up, but it's free and fun. So it's open from Memorial Day to Labor Day. And then one of the newest playgrounds in our area is right there. It is accessible as well. They have play features for all abilities, which is fantastic. And there's also a walking path around here, which you can't see on the video. It's on the other side of the sports field. It's a nice walking path. They do have some of those equipment to do various workouts. I'm talking too much. Do you want to talk about the amphitheater?
You know more about
this is the
Ronceverte than
amphitheater
anybody.
here. So they have concerts throughout the year. The rubber ducky race. So they float hundreds of rubber duckies down the river, and somebody wins. The river's partially iced over now. It's gorgeous. I wish y'all could see that. So we'll keep moseying. These are softball fields. They also play football. Ronceverte Raiders were the Super Bowl football champions for football little. Is it Pee Wee? We don't do football, so I don't know if it's Pee Wee. I would do Little League, but that's wrong. So anyways, I digress. So right in front of us on Byron's side, the left-hand side, is the mini golf, which is spectacular. One of the things I love about the mini golf is that they themed every hole to the history or different points or things of Ronceverte.
Okay, I'll try to give
you're trying to give them a
view of it.
So we do have a reel of the putt-putt golf, and we will definitely, Byron and I will have a challenge this spring.
Yeah, a putt challenge.
Yes. So there is a lumber yard here in Ronceverte. If you're looking for employment, they do hardwood flooring.
Tell me about the music hall, because it used to be a roller rink, correct?
Yes, it was a roller rink. It's a music hall, and now they are looking to find its next iteration of life, shall we say. So right beyond, I'm trying to see on Byron's camera, right beyond that green building there is the dog park. It's the only dog park in our area. They have a large space for large dogs and then a smaller separate area for smaller dogs. We bring our dogs here all the time and they love it, love it. There are basketball courts, a skate park that you can see there where that blue features are. Horseshoe is next.
Didn't they have the national finals for Horseshoe here?
Yes, they had the Horseshoe tournament here. We did a reel on that too, if you were interested in seeing it. You just have to like binge watch all of our stuff.
Yeah, and then here's the downtown area we drove by earlier.
Yes, on the other side of the tracks.
Yes.
If you should say. And then we're also getting a pickleball court. So
lots to do in Ronceverte.
yes. Yes.
Should we call it there, or do you want to go somewhere else?
I think that's a great snapshot of Ronceverte. If you want to learn more, let us know. We'd love to show you around town and help you find your spot here.
See you guys.
Bye.